Welcome back, everyone, to the 12th Swift Playgrounds tutorial stream. I just learned, this is going to be a little embarrassing, but I'm pretty positive I just learned how to spell 12th just now. There's an F in there. 12th. 12th. Kind of confusing. Anyways, I know it's been over a week. Sorry I haven't been too good at staying on schedule. Been kind of busy lately. But we're going to finish off our while loops section today. And then we'll move to algorithms. And that's the last one. So after today, we'll be on our last little chapter. So cherish these moments, everyone. So we left off with Land of Bounty. We wrote this big long function to basically toggle all the switches, collect all the gems, depending on how many there were. That was pretty fun, pretty good challenge. So now we're going to work on nesting loops. So before in this while loops chapter, we've been basically just working with while loops and not really putting anything inside of them. And now we're going to be nesting them or putting while loops inside while loops. So it's like an Inception kind of thing, if anyone knows or has seen that movie. If not, I highly recommend. Anyways, probably not my target audience. But without further ado, let's get to it. Nesting loops. So our goal for this is to use a loop inside another loop, like I was saying, to move around a spiral. In this puzzle, notice the spiral of gems that are at each turning point. To solve the puzzle, you need to nest one loop inside another. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. I don't know. So let's go through. Can we go through like a little above? It's not going to let us go strictly above. But it looks like we just go woo, a little spiral. So yeah. Before you write your code, think it through. For the first side of the spiral, you have to move forward until there's a gem to collect. After collecting the gem, you turn left, ready to start down the next side of the spiral. This pattern repeats until you reach the point farthest inside the spiral, becoming blocked. When you write code that uses nested loops, you need to think backward. The first loop you write for this puzzle represents the last part of the logic above. That's the repeat until blocked part. Alright, so like it said, it can be pretty confusing, but once we work through this, it'll get easier, trust me. So we're going to step through this first one. So step 1, add a condition into the outer loop so that the inner loop repeats until your character is blocked. So add a condition in the outer loop. A repeating block of code, a loop that contains another loop inside. So it'll be this one, so that the inner loop repeats until your character is blocked. So we're going to say while is blocked, but we're going to say we're going to run while is not blocked. Does that make sense? So while your byte is not blocked, he's going to keep on doing this loop. And then we're going to, step number 2, we're going to adjust your inner loop to move forward until there's a gem to collect. So basically move forward until there's a gem to collect. So while, let's see, while move forward until there is a gem. So you could say while, oh, do we have to put something in here too? Oops. So while is blocked. So while is not blocked. Once your character reaches a gem, collect the gem and turn left. Okay, hold on. Okay. So while we're going to, should we do is not blocked? Or should we do is not on a gem? Let's try is not on a gem. We'll just see what happens. Actually, I'm pretty sure you're going to want to do is not blocked. But we're just going to do this anyway. So while bite is not on a gem, move forward. So once, and then step 3 is once your character reaches a gem, collect the gem and turn left. So right now, if we look at it, what we have, this is kind of confusing, even for me. Anyways, so while bite is not blocked, we're going to run this while loop, and while bite is not on a gem, we're going to move forward. And once he is on a gem, you'll exit out of this while loop, and we're going to do collect gem, and then we're going to turn left. Okay? I'm not sure this is going to work, but let's walk through it. So while bite is not blocked, and while bite is not on a gem, he's going to move forward. Once he is on a gem, he's going to exit this inner while loop, collect the gem, and turn left. And then he's still not blocked, so while he is not blocked and is not on a gem anymore, then he moves forward. We might have to add another move forward after this turn left. I don't know if they're going to consider him or her, if they're going to consider bite on a gem if he's already collected it. We'll see. So let's step through and see what happens. So is not blocked, while is not on a gem, move forward. So still not on a gem, still not on a gem, still not on a gem, still not on a gem. Oh, he's on a gem. Collect the gem, turn left. Not blocked. Okay, so so bite collected the gem on that square, and then once he collected, he was considered not on a gem. So that's good for us. So I think this will work. Here we go. Just collected his second gem, so he's going to move forward. The real test is when he gets down to this this like little cluster of 3. I'm not sure. I have a feeling it might. I don't think it'll cause any complications. We'll see. All right, he's got 4. He's got half of them down. Here's the big battle. Here's where we hit all the gems. So he's on a gem. Move forward. Collect that thing. Nice. Turn left. Still not blocked. Move forward. Collect that gem. Nice. Turn left. Still not blocked. Yes. Collect the gem. Turn left. Still not blocked. We did it, everyone. We did it. Do any of my sound effects work? None of my sound effects work. Darn. Well, that was supposed to be a celebratory sound effect. There we go. They're all coming in me. They're all coming in now. Let's go. Big celebration. Big celebration. Alright. Now you're nesting. Great work. Nesting loops. You can use nested loops in many different situations, running complex conditional code over and over until a condition is met. Be careful though, if a while loop Boolean condition is never false, your code will run forever in an infinite loop, which can make your computer freeze. Done that once before. Not good. Let's start all over. But it happens. So if it does happen to you, don't freak out. It's okay. It's just not fun. But y'all are better programmers than I am. You will be, at least. If you're not already. If you're not already better. I can't even talk. That's how high up. That's the bar I've set. Alright, wow, this looks surprisingly plain. Is this loaded all the way? Is that right? We just got a little pool of water in here. Can we see under it? Okay, it's interesting. Challenge. Use nested loops and conditions to move around a changing world. Oh, is it going to change on us? In this challenge, run the puzzle a couple times to see how the size of the puzzle world changes while the shape remains the same. As in the previous exercise, you can use nested loops to create a solution that will work no matter what size the puzzle world is. Wow, interessante. Okay, so we're gonna do while, and then we're gonna have another while just because they said we should. Okay, so we're gonna say while byte is not blocked. I don't know if like him on the edge is considered blocked or not. I'm assuming it is. We'll find out. So while he's not blocked and while he is not, oops, okay, give me the condition, is on closed switch. So while he is not on a closed switch, we're going to move forward. Oh wait, hold on. So we're gonna move forward. We might need to switch those. We're gonna need to do while byte is not on a closed switch here, and while he is not blocked, move forward, and then when he is blocked, turn right, and then I wonder, so if he is blocked, turn right. Well, he is not closed switch. So if he is on a closed switch, we're going to do toggle switch. Think this will work? So this is what we're going to do. While byte is not on a closed switch, and while he is not blocked, he's going to move forward. Once he's blocked, he's going to turn right. And then just keep on moving forward. And then once he is on a closed switch, he's going to toggle that switch. Let's see what happens. See if this is right. If not, oh, the map's changing. The map's changing. Oh, it's smaller now. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. It's blocked. Yes. Nice. He's now on a close switch and he's blocked. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Okay. Here we go. Move forward again. You're blocked. Turn right. But you're still not on a close switch. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Turn right. Still not on a closed switch. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. He's blocked. Turn right. But you're on a closed switch. Toggle that switch. Yes! I don't know what. I'm just gonna do them all. My meme board's not working. That's what it's called. I'm pressing the keys to make the sound work. There we go. I just pressed a bunch. I don't even know what's going on. We did it. Phenomenal. Notice how even small bits of code can be extremely powerful and can work in many different situations. You're starting to write code that is adaptable and reusable, which is what professional coders strive for. That's pretty cool. I mean, this little amount of code, these two nested, nested while loop and the while loop outside of it, plus one extra command, can literally run if this rectangle, is it a rectangle or a square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so it's a rectangle. Or it could be a square. If it was 100 cubes wide, this would still work. If it was 1,000, it would still work. Now it would take a long time, but either way, it's pretty cool that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really only 3 commands, but add the 2 while conditions can solve for that. Pretty cool. All right, next one, next page. This is the last one. Last thing for while loops. I hope you guys have had fun so far. See if it ever loads. There we go. There we go. Wow. Wow. Let's just observe this here. Pretty interesting. I've always wondered is where is this water coming from? And there's always a waterfall that's dumping a seemingly huge amount of water just constantly. Colorado needs that. Lots of states need that, but anyways, last challenge. Here we go. You're always right. Thank you. Challenge. Use any code construct and pattern you like. For the final while loops challenge, toggle open all the closed switches and collect the gems. Choose from your existing skills to solve the puzzle. Remember, it's okay if you don't get it on the first try. Professional coders hardly ever get things right the first time around. Very true. For me, hardly ever like the first 10 times around. That's okay. Your goal is to write some code to keep tweaking it until it works. Good luck. Alrighty. So, this is interesting. So we're gonna go, we have to toggle these. I'm wondering if this changes at all. Probably. Then turn right. And we'll hit a portal, and then we'll keep on going right. Okay. So, let's do a while. Let's start a while loop. And the condition is, this one might take a while. I'm not going to get done in 3 minutes. It's okay. So the condition is while byte is not blocked, we're going to move forward. And then while he's moving forward, if byte is on a closed switch, toggle the switch. Right? If on a closed switch, toggle the switch. If, or is it else if? If else. Else if is on a gem. Toggle that gem, or collect gem. We want to toggle the gem. That won't do much. Oh, I spelled else wrong. Else. There we go. So while, actually we're gonna take move forward and move it to the bottom. Way. Else, whoops, else, Okay. So, right now we have Wild Bite is not blocked. Move forward if he's not on a switch or if he's not on a gem. And then while. So if he is blocked, it's gonna exit out of this and we're gonna turn right. Think this will work? I'm wondering what's gonna happen when we hit this collect gem. Because it's gonna be blocked. It is not blocked. Yeah, he's gonna move forward and he's gonna be blocked. He's just gonna turn right. But he's not gonna be blocked after that. Okay, I think this might work. We'll see. Like they said, try it multiple times. Alright, here we go. Oh, it does change. No. Okay, move forward. Still not blocked. It's not on a gem. Let's move forward. Still not blocked. He's not on a closed switch, so let's move forward. Now he's on a closed switch. Alright. Move forward. We could have added a move forward in these if conditions to maybe make it a little faster, because now we have to wait for it to run through a couple times. But that's okay. Oh, no. Okay. So he was not blocked and he turned right, but then what is he supposed to do? He's supposed to move forward. Yeah. Yep. Turn right. Move forward. But what do we do when he gets to this gem? We'll find out. Actually, hold on. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, we're gonna actually add a move forward here too to make this a little more efficient. Move forward. Okay. Now let's run it. Alright, here we go. Moving forward. Gonna move forward again. And toggle that switch. Move forward. Nice. Move forward. Move forward. Take a right. Move forward. Whee! Portal! Oh, what? Okay. Dang it. Okay, so he moved forward. But once he moved forward, it didn't enter the while loop again. So if we add another move forward, that'll get it. We need to get it back into the while loop. What if we just, once he turned right, then he entered the while loop again? We could make the while loop a function. Let's do that. Func. Name. Run this while. And then we're just gonna boing. Oh, interesting. That's cool. Just minimize all it down. Okay, So we have run this while loop. So we're going to start off by run this while loop, turn right. Turn right, and then we're going to say if not blocked, you know, we could just do, we could put this in a for loop, but I feel like that doesn't make it that dynamic. But we always know how many rights he's gonna have to, byte is gonna have to take. So we know it's gonna be turn right once, go forward, turn right twice, go forward, turn right 3 times, go forward, turn right 4 times. So we can just do 4. Oh. And then boing doing. So we're gonna run this 4 times. So we have this function on top, run this while loop, and then we're gonna run this for loop 4 times. So he's gonna turn right, and then he's gonna do it again. Should we try it? Because the actual map, the items change, but the actual path doesn't. So we can kind of just say, run this 4 times over again, and you'll get there. I would rather have it be dynamic to where the map could change, like the amount of times byte turns right. But I mean, there's always conditions that'll make it not work that way. Like, what if you had to turn left? Turn right. Alright, so now we're into our second loop. Just past our first turn right. Still isn't blocked, so I believe we're still in our first turn right still. And you're just gonna move along. Oh, he's on a closed switch. Toggle that thing. There we go. Give me that. Nope, wrong thing. Nope. There we go. And he's blocked, so he's gonna turn right. And then that was the second turn. Now we're on to the third. He's gonna move forward all the way. This is the longest straightaway he's gonna have to do. Oh. That's what we want. 3. 3 is, the number 3 key is the crowd roar. I need to remember that. Just cheering him on. Just gonna button mash that. Go by it, you can do it! Woo! What's number 2? Laughing. No, we're not laughing at you. We're laughing because we're having a good time. What's number 1? Baby crying. We don't need that either. We don't need a baby crying. Let's see, I think this is a good one. No, that's not the right one. Oh yeah, this is the one I like. Oh, sunglasses on me. C. Did it stop? Oh no! We didn't do enough? We were 1 gem away. Okay. So he turns right once, turns right twice, turns right 3 times, turns right 4. Oh. Oh. Ah. We were one off. I can't believe I missed that. The turn right gets us to there. We need to turn right 5 times. That'll cover our collect gem too, actually, because he'll be blocked. I think. We might have to do an if statement after this turn right. If on gem, collect gem. We're just gonna run through this code. Now that we already know how it's going. What is this, our 4th time running through this? This is the developmental process. You guys are learning valuable skills. You just gotta keep trying. You can't get discouraged. Happens to everyone. Alright, toggle switch. What's gonna happen? Collect the gem. Oh man, we're still 1 gem off. Yep. Okay. 5th time's the charm. So after we turn right, we're gonna say if is on gem, collect that thing. Alright. Boom, and that should do it for us. Let's see. Ooh, we're gonna have to toggle all these. Boom. Turn right. Run through that portal. Toggle those 2. Turn right. Won't have to toggle any of these. Nice. Turn right. Toggle that one. Boom. Alright, we're 1 gem away. 1 gem away. Yay! Hells yeah. Outstanding solution. Take a second to celebrate. You've just completed while loops. Your concentration and effort are paying off. Now it's time to learn about algorithms. Ooh, algorithms. So, that is like the text said. That is all of while loops. We are done with the while loops chapter, and we're going to move on next time to algorithms. And hopefully, algorithms will be 2, maybe 3 parts. I'm gonna try to get it done in 2, and then we'll have something else. But I will talk to you about that once we finish algorithms. We still got 2 parts to go. We're not done yet. We're almost done though. But before I leave, let's look at what we did here. So we have a while loop, and we nested an if statement in that while loop, basically saying if byte's not blocked, and if he is, you know, not on a closed switch or not on a gem, move forward. If he's on a closed switch, toggle that switch and move forward. If he's on a gem, collect the gem and move forward. We could have used conditionals here where we said like while he is not blocked and on a gem, or while he is not blocked and on a closed switch, do that stuff. But we would have had to make 3 different while loops there, and I didn't really want to do that. But that's another way you could have solved it. But we put this while loop into a function called run this while loop. Very creative name. And then we put all of that into a for loop and made it nice and super tiny and skinny right here. So we made sure this ran 5 times because we knew he would have to turn right more than 4 times. We probably could have added the if is on gem, collect gem above the turn right, but either way, it doesn't matter. We wanted him to face this way anyways. We didn't want him to face this way. So we run this while loop function, and then once he is blocked, it exits that while loop, exits that function, and he turns right. And then if he is on a gem, byte collects the gem, and then we run that 5 more times. So that's how it works. That's what we did. Like I said, good job, guys. That was our 5th time running that, so, you know, any good developer is going to run into an issue where they're, like it says, they're not going to get things the first time around. So just keep at it. It makes it all that more rewarding when you solve this problem. This felt really good to solve when we were done. So anywho, I will see you guys in the next stream where we get into algorithms. I hope you're excited. Peace. Love y'all. Happy coding.